weapons for me. Lay down your weapons for me, if that means anything.
Listen, little man, I done told you fuck the hype thing. I done told you road life ain't what it might seem. Where I'm from, we do wrong for the right cream, but at a price can lose your life for some nice things. No nice dreams, just fiends and sirens. No lie, you don't wanna hear the nine scream. These cold nights got us slipping like an ice rink. My bro died, he got hit up like lightning. My phone dog killing me's in prison with the lifers. Young and listen, can you vision where my mind is? This life's sick, the end's sorta like fire. Friends turn snitch, I know you heard about Spider. I recommend you take a telling from me, cause I've been in it from the start, dog. It's hell in these streets. Once you're in it, then you're in it, ain't no settling beat. Lay down your weapons, fuck repping, get your money in thee.
Lay down your weapons for me. Lay down your weapons for me. That means anything. Can we avoid war? Search and destroy war. Learn what to live for. If that means anything. Lay down your weapons for me. That means anything.
You think this life looks fun? Well, look a little closer. You just might find this life isn't what you hope for. Roadside's a lie, and the proof's in the culture. The truth is you die or sit down, no sofa. Prison living is an image you don't know, dog. Picture living in this prison and it's so dark. And when you listen, you hear whispers from the cold draft. Looking in the mirror at a sinner with a broke heart. I know it's so hard, I hope it won't last. I know you're scarred and you just wanna get your dough fast, but you don't wanna end up dead or stuck behind bars. Time is of the essence and the present flies past. When the nine sparks, mothers lose their baby boys. But die hard kids wanna play with toys. Listen to my voice, can you hear my pain before there isn't choice?
Lay down your weapons for me. Lay down your weapons for me. That means anything. Can we avoid war? Search and destroy war. Learn what to live for. If that means anything. Lay down your weapons for me. That means anything. Ooh, if that means anything. Oh, that means anything. Oh, that means anything. If that means anything.